our next test will be to do the same procedure, but taking out the SD card out of the drone and just saving the video to the phone. Just remember that when you do that, the maximum resolution you get is 720 pixels. Most people are not interested in that resolution, but still, if you decide to do that and save your files while flying a drone into your cell phone, let's see if interruption of the Wi-Fi connection or power loss affects the file saving. Let's start recording. Now it's recording, and as you know, as I mentioned in previous videos, when it's recording on your phone, you get timing here. So let's move a little bit and let's go 15 seconds, and we take out the battery. Boom, you hit an object, and will you lose the files? The clock is still ticking, interesting, but now we don't have any connection. Probably I'll have to stop it. Let's try to stop it. Oh. So I stopped it, although there was no recording, and let's check if we have any videos on it. And yes, we've got the video. That's interesting. Let's see at what moment it turned off. So I'm playing with it, and now I'm taking out the battery. Boom, and the battery is taken out, and at that moment the file stops recording. That's also good news for us. So you can bump actually into objects while flying with the drone, and if you save the file to your phone, you will not lose that file. Next test is to exit the application while recording. So let's start recording. We are recording to the cell phone, playing around with the drone, and we exit the, probably you'll see my finger, and we are exiting the application. Okay, now let's go back, play. Now we can see no timing. Let me play a little bit with the drone to see whether it's still recording or not. Shouldn't be, logically. Let's go to see the files. Okay, we have the file. 16 seconds. Now you see that video plays in its regular speed because it's reading the file from the cell phone. And now I exit the application here. And at that moment, the video is saved to the file. So as with the SD card, it does the same. When you turn off the application, you stop recording the file, and the file is saved. You're not losing the file. That's also good news. And our last test would be turning off the battery of the cell phone while recording to the cell phone and see if we lose the file or not. Let's start recording. We are recording to the cell phone. Let's play around with the drone, and now let me turn off the phone. Turning off the phone. Power off. Okay. Now the phone is turned on. We don't need to connect to the drone because the file was saved to the phone. If it was saved, let's just turn on the application. So we are in the application without any connection, and we go and check what videos we have on the phone. It connects us directly to the folder with the videos recorded by the drone, and we see that there is a video. Actually, let's see if it's that video that we made when I turn off the phone. So here I'm turning off the phone. And the file is actually saved. So turning off the phone does not affect the recording, you can still get the file.